My name is Shaista and I am an environmental engineer, but I work in solid waste department. I did my undergrad and bachelor's degree in civil engineering, and I did my master's in environmental engineering. I was always fascinated by the civil engineering, but once I finished my civil engineering and there were so many branches of the civil engineering, I realized that the pollution is one of the branch that I want to learn more and make this environment cleaner. So that was the reason I got into this career. The most rewarding part of my career is that when I can help a citizen to recycle and reduce their garbage. So if they can put 50% or more in the recycling instead of putting in the garbage, that is really rewarding for me, and to see that how to reduce the pollution in the air and in the ground both. The most stressful part of my job is actually having any kind of accident, because the garbage is a dangerous business, and if you do not take care of the methane coming out of the landfill, that is really difficult to manage. A typical day in my career looks like I come to office, then first thing is that check the emails, of course, to see if I got all the answer I need to take care of the day, and then I check on my site calendar, see if I need to go on the site and check my sites, everything is going on as routinely. Sometimes I have to read the report and review the report, so to submit it to an EPD, that is the Environmental Protection Division of Georgia. So we have to work in compliance with them. An average salary for a environmental engineer is $60,000 per annum. There is room to rise in the way, because longer you work in this field, more experience you have, and you have understand more situations. So of course, you can rise that way. You are more experienced than the younger engineer, so there is little room but not much. The most applicable courses I found was math, physics, and chemistry. My career has been changed a lot since I joined this field, and I have been working in this field for last 7 years. When I came in this field, we were just dumping the garbage in the ground, and we are covering it up, close the landfill, and that's it. And then to this day now, the people dump the garbage in the ground, and they are actually using the methane that is coming out of the garbage for the energy purposes. They work with the Georgia Power to convert that methane into energy and supply to the citizen. So certainly this field has been changed so much. Also the recycling has started for so many items that it wasn't there before. So it is changing constantly. My job is very flexible. Actually, my office people is also very helpful to understand that I do have a family, and they support me in that area as well. So in that sense, I feel very happy and lucky that they support me to take care of my family and then come back and work. I think the demand will rise more, because we are making so much pollution, and people always looking into the green energy and renewable energy sources, reducing the garbage. So I think there will be a big demand. I will say, if you really want to get into this field, then you keep yourself aware of the changing science of the field, because from the day one to this day, you can see how things have been changed, and if you do not keep yourself aware of the changes, it will be difficult for you to comprehend how to move forward. But if you keep yourself aware, that will